I'm on the way out to my brother's place there. He wants me to have a look at a tree of his. He has a tree that's over in one of his pigeon lofts. He raises pigeons. So he said it's fairly shook looking after the last storm we had, and we're supposed to have another storm coming now Sunday or Monday evening. So I said we'll head out and have a look at it, and it's only a small bit of a yoke, but still low. If it came in on the pigeon loft, they could destroy one of the lofts on them. So I said we'll come out and have a look at it now, and the day is fairly fine. So we'll go out here and we'll see what it's like. Right, we have to go in this field here somewhere now. Hopefully them gates open in the way. Closed then again, just on the safe side. We'll be coming down that lane there. Is there enough of a stick you can pull against it there even? Now, Jesus, come back gate, but yeah. So, down there we're going. We'll go down and have a look. Hopefully it's not too wet here now. Is that corn or cover crop in this? Could be a bit wet down here now. There's actually a tree down there already, so I'm not going to go too far into that corner because I say that could be wet there. That looks like the tree there, that one there, I would say elderberry tree. So yeah, I'm not going to go too far into that corner because I say that looks wet there. Yeah, just damp enough. Right, it's only a small bit of a tree, won't take long, but if that fell into the back, that'll be the problem. So we'll have to get rid of these fellas first. So where do we put them then when we do knock them? As I said, there's a tree down there already, so yeah. Right, we'll get with this. Look, you can see how rotten it is there, look. Yeah. This is ready to go, isn't she?
Ready to go. I don't know how she's heading up. So go ahead and hop in there.
Off to the left, isn't it?
Oh, that one. But she's heading off the left there. See the way the bottom irons that have been bending.
She'll be heavy enough there, that will.
Yeah, that's going to be a tricky one.
Well, we might have to take that out there first, I'd say. Yeah. So we'd swing her out there with the Jeep. Right, I'll come in there with this arm and put that fella there. Trying to get out. I know, you hold that for me.
Am I on it? Oh.
You don't know.
I know. Safety first. You want a clean pair? I see through, like.
Yeah, I know, yeah.
No, what I mean was. You're talking to that guy.
This could be one of the all-time greats comedy shows.
Yeah, yeah.
So long we don't get hurt, that's the main thing. We're
Yes.
giving gloves. I'm saying that out there.
Go on out first. Go there first.
We'll try and tow that fella this way. Hopefully she'll fall this way anyway. Sure, if I just pull there now, sure, see where the rope goes.
Hold on now, we got the rope out free.
I want to get you over there as well.
Well, I have a high base, I'm not too bad. Fairly well, having sacrificed.
Full of safety you are.
Steel toes.
At least our tree will see you anyway coming down.
Yeah.
Jeez, I think I might have the rope a bit too long now. I'll give it a... I'll put a small bit of tension on it, right?
Yeah. I said tighten up the rope. Tighten up the rope farther.
Let me see how we go.
Bring it down. Go.
Now, I'll stick on the 4-wheel drive.
That's not bad actually, Kev.
Have you got pull on that?
Yeah, I got it.
No, I think the rain is going to beat us, so we get this one chopped anyway, and we'll try for the next one hopefully. But what's that? Yeah. Right, that was eventful. The rain came down, got the trees cut, ran out of card for the GoPro, and the Jeep got stuck. So bananas, we're out now, slowly but surely. Low 4, and we're coming out. So yeah, but not really field tires. More for the road, them are. They're more for the road, they are. Wait, you want to walk? Are we going for a walk? Are we? Are we going for a walk? Come on. Now, it is very wet out and windy, so you mightn't be able to hear us too good. But right, where's she gone? Here. I got her off. Go on. Coming down the feed like this is quite handy with her. Just not that. As the saying goes, let her run wild, but she don't run wild. She's still coming back to me, fairly handy. But yeah, just get the nose working. She is a gun dog, so she needs to get the nose working, the brain active. So yeah, so down the fields, especially those stubble fields are very handy in that way. Yeah, oh look at that, there's a good block of water along there. But anyways, this time of the year there's nothing in the fields, bar up there. Choi's on the way back. He has neighbour of mine have a couple of cattle in there. They're after pulling beat there a couple of weeks ago, so we have a few cattle in there, just eating the loose ones as I say, and the heads of them this way. Come on. Get out of bed. I know she was licking there, but still sometimes she likes to eat fox poo and stuff like that. Whatever it is about it, I don't know. I don't know. Must be something in it for her, man. It's not that I wouldn't be eating it. Go on. Now that might be a bit deep for me even. Let me see. I best not for old jeepers, look at that. That's close. No sudden movements now. I'm down. So all this land around here is all neighbours' land. Like I was saying, there's absolutely, apart from her, she's the only animal out here, I think. So everything is in for the winter. But this field now does hold an awful lot of water. So you have a lot of water there, a lot of water there, and if you go up over the hill, there's another lot of water. But what does be out here, and she loves them, snipe, little snipe. So she'll point away there now. Actually, you won't make that out now, I suppose, but at the moment she's pointing. So there was something there, or there was something there that she could smell, and the wind is coming this way. So but that's what I was saying, she loves coming down around this area. Come down for the smell, get the head working, get the legs working, and she'll do a bit of pointing at the same time. But should we go over here to this lock of water and we'll see what's around. Now and again there'll be a few little ducks down here as well, but very rarely. Then that's to see it coming to be gone straight away, I know. There she is again, look, starting to point again. So there's something catching her nose there. Yeah, now it's a good lock of water there. Nearly waves on it. So, oh, right nearly down. This field could do with getting rained badly. But I suppose it helps the wildlife over the winter, don't it? So no, as there is a little river here, and she's flowing fairly fast today now, alright? So that runs the full length of the field and off then out through the road and eventually down to the River Barrow, I'm presuming. Now, there's the cattle out there, now eating the leftover beet. So there's a strand of wire running around along there. So from where the brown is to the green is, there's a strand of wire there. So he's what's called strip grazing them. So them boys are hardly out there now, they're not bothering them at all. I know it's way out there, right, but there's a dry spot up here. It's high ground there, so they have a bit of shelter there and a high spot there to lie down on. It'll always be mucky and wet, especially where they're eating or having their meal and truck. They're all good chaps. A nice even bunch of lads. And they are. Look at this fella. Back on that lad. Oh, them boys are hard out now. And even you see how how mucky it is out here, but look how clean they are, look. So that's what I was saying, there's a nice dry high spot over there that it's kind of shaly enough up that high spot there, so shouldn't be catching any water on. So the only bits that's dirty is down on their feet, that's all. But other than that, now Darcy, you don't come in there now, you'll get a shock off that little fence and I wouldn't be able to find you. Anyways, right, that's enough of that. Now we're on our way to collect some firewood. We're heading over to a local man about 10 minutes from here, so that's all, on the tractor. So we have our trailer on there, and yeah, we'll head over there and we'll see what we can do. I'll not too sure now whether or not we want to be videoed around that now. We'll try that first anyway and we'll see. So look, we'll drive on and we'll see how we go on. See all the forest around there, all the Christmas trees and all. So that didn't take long. Right, we're fully loaded up, as you can see. And we'll make our way back home again. I didn't actually take any video, and the man is in a hurry there, so it's a bank holiday Monday here in Ireland, so I'm not going to hold him up by chatting to him and taking videos of what he was doing, so I said we might leave it for another day. So hopefully next time I'll ask him and see how we go, because they have a great setup there. Yeah, if anybody's watching that is local around the area here, Corbett Farms Firewood is called, so you'll find them there on online anyway. So right, we get these back and we get him unloaded into the shed, and that's done. What a great day we have today. That's the worst about having the low shed here. I can't tip it up enough. So I may unload and come in with a bucket maybe and some of that and just pile them all in that corner there. Yeah. So look, what else can we do? Right. We'll get him unloaded on and then we'll throw the bucket on and we'll scoop him up into the corner there. Right, that's that job done. So we have our 3 scoops of firewood there, all lovely and dry. I should have brought out me actually moisture meter and just show you, but they're probably all around 16-17%. They're probably all around 16-17% moisture anyway. So because they came out with the killing this morning there, he was telling me. So over here now, to sell firewood, you have to be registered and you have to kill and dry it, or dry it in some other way, I know, but it has to be all at a certain percentage. So yeah, so right, that's it there, I know. So good pile of timber, keep us going for another while. I know now, when I was out cutting the tree there for the brother, there'd be a lot of people saying that I hadn't got me full PP on me, my full protective gear. I know I didn't. I don't have no hard hat at home, and I don't have a chainsaw pants. But sure, I kept the eyes right and the hearing right. So that's the way things go. Life isn't always 100%. The brother wanted that little job done there before the next storm came in, or them trees could have came down on his pigeon lofts. So but anyways, we're going to leave it there for this week. So if you enjoyed this week's video, please give it a thumbs up, throw a comment down below, subscribe as always, and sure, look, go on, we'll catch you the next one. Alright, mind yourselves.